What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys. All right, today I'm about to go off-roading with my dad. All right, he's on his DIY electric bike, 2,000 watts. I'm on the 3,000 watt Lectric XP. I'm gonna take these bad boys off-roading, okay? I learned my lesson since last time. Your boy has on freaking jeans, long sleeve shirt. I don't have on gloves, but I do have a full face helmet on, so we're being extra careful today. My dad took the opposite route and has on a t-shirt and shorts, so we'll see. Yeah, it should be a good video. Hit that like button. You already know it's about to be a banger. Hit that subscribe button because you're missing out on all this quality content, guys. Watch this. Running through stop signs. All right, so let's get into the joint. It was this street, right? I always get it confused. Right here? Yeah. This way. Make a right. This is the beginning. Alright, here we go, guys. My dad just put tire liners on his bike, so he doesn't have to worry about flats. Hopefully I don't get a flat. I'm not gonna lie, like I've had the worst luck with this route. Like I always either get a flat or something. So he don't have to worry about it. I do. It's all good though. Ooh, little rabbit. I wanted to change this throttle out for a twist or a thumb, but I didn't have time. Because I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit more stable when you have a thumb throttle, because if I panic and pull back, I'm hitting the throttle off top, so I'm going to be going faster. So that's one thing I need to do every time I'm going off-roading at least. Ooh, yeah, this feels good.
If any birds, rabbits, or squirrels shoot out in front of you, they getting ran over.
It's hilarious, dude. Look at this guy. Look at this freaking guy. He's crazy. All right. This is where I got that flat from the other bike. So guys, don't try to hop curves if you have a freaking rear hub motor. This is how I got a flat on my other bike. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah. Good? Alright.
Jump from morning.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Whew, shoot. He's crazy. Hell no. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my God. Your boy over here traumatized. Dude, you're tight. I'm low-key like scared riding this trail now.
What gear should I be in going up this hill?
The lower gears. So like 2 or 3. I'm about to go full speed at the hill and not even require the pedal. It's 3,000 watts, baby. Let's go. Easy, 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 easy. Woo. We made it, we made it, we made it. Almost. You crazy, dude. Damn, I can't believe my dad is like outdoing me today. I used to kill this freaking trail. Ever since I fell though, it's just like, it's always in the back of my mind. I'm burning them now. Alright, what the hell is that? What the fuck? Is that a rattlesnake? I won't be messing with you. There we go, let's rip. Oh, no, you know, I want to get him in the shot. Hold on. Let him pass. I want to get you in the shot. I want to get you in the shot.
Okay.
Go ahead. What that is in there, dude? Is that a bird or is that a freaking rattlesnake? Oh yeah, he's flying. That's pretty much the trail. That's crazy how fast we can do it now. All right, guys, so this is the current situation. Luckily, we were already like turning the corner of our street. My dad has a flat, and guys, I just said we put the Mr. Toughies on there, so let's go ahead and check out and see what it is. The video continues. Wow, my bike doesn't even have no liners on there, and I didn't get a flat. Shout out to Cha Yang. Check it out. Here's the culprit, a freaking screw, but it has a tire liner in there. So, what's up, Mr. Tuffy? You're not so tough.
That's a big screw though.
But no, I don't care. Ain't that what is advertised to like stop?
I don't know if it's like a big screw like that.
Dude, what are the odds though? What are the odds? Dude, this is like the bad luck bag.
Magnet. Attracting stuff.
Dude, that's freaking crazy, dude. We gotta unscrew it out. That's how like in there it is. The long Jesus. Screw. It's still going. Wow. Damn.